Every day, diseases threaten our health, but thanks to science, we have one of the best ways to protect ourselves.
I've heard about vaccines, but why are they so important?
Vaccines are important because it leads to protect our against dangerous diseases.
Can vaccine protect other people too?
Yes, when more people get vaccinated, spread less, and our community is safe.
Some people say vaccines are not necessary.
That's a myth. Vaccines help us prevent diseases just like only measles and hepatitis. Getting vaccinated is one of the best ways to stay healthy.
Don't wait until it's too late. Visit your nearest health center and